Hey, Eric at Archive. Just wanted to share some part numbers with you on a 2004 RX330 for replacing the radiator. And this will probably stretch up to 2009, including the RX350. So the radiator and condenser and fan can all be taken out as one assembly, and you can tell it's installed in the vehicle in one assembly, and it's basically designed to corrode together if you got high miles and if you live in a salty climate where the roads are salted. So I had quite a mess on my hands trying to get this apart, and everything just kind of stuck together. There's these little nutserts here that slide in from the side. So if you have a radiator go bad, you're probably going to be into it for a lot more than just the radiator. So on to some part numbers. Here we've got the radiator laid out. Okay. What you want to do is go over to your door, check your VIN tag right here, find out where it's made. That's going to help you when it comes time to order parts. Okay. So here we have these bottom and top brackets that hold the AC condenser to the radiator and then hold that in the vehicle. Okay, so let's take a look at those part numbers. These are the top plates for my particular car, made in Japan. These are the two bottom plates. And then to attach to the radiator, we have these little bolts. And then we have these critical little nutserts here that slip in. So I think you need 8, and 4 of these longer screws. All right, and those are to bolt the AC condenser to the radiator. All right, so let's take a look quick. Just show you. Now we're looking at the bottom of the radiator here. Okay, it's not tight yet, but, and then here we go. This is where the fan, electric fans are going to bolt in. And then on the other side here, you can see these little nutserts. So you have to position those, then the black bracket goes on top, and then these two screws right here. Okay, just wanted to share some part numbers with you guys. I'm not going to be answering a lot of questions on this, just getting the part numbers out there. Someone else shared them on the internet, and it took me, weeks to find it, and I just really appreciated that and paying it forward. All right, thanks.